In the previous lecture, we have seen how to simplify a K-map and how to construct a K-map. In this lecture, let us learn the K-map with implicants, prime implicants, and essential prime implicants. So to start with defining a implicant. Implicant is defined as a minterm or permitted group of minterms or max terms is called a implicant. If you are defining a prime implicant, a group of minterms or max terms, those cannot be combined with any other minterms is called the prime implicants. If the essential prime implicant is to be defined, it is defined as a prime implicant it is a prime implicant itself in which one or more minterms or max terms are unique. That is, at least one minterm not contained in any other prime implicants. Implicants. So these are the three definitions that we must know when we are simplifying the K-maps. To understand in detail an implicant or a prime implicant or an essential prime implicant, let us consider a switching equation. Consider G as a function of x, y, z variable, which represents the SOP equation as the sum of minterms 0, 2, 3, 7. Simplify using K-map and identify the prime implicants. In short, it is represented as PI and essential prime implicants. So when we need to identify essential prime implicants and the prime implicants, first we need to construct a K-map. Since as per the given expression, 3 variables, so therefore we have 8 cells. These 8 cells we are grouping in the rows and columns matrix form, having 2 rows, 4 columns, and MSB variable to the rows, LSB rows to the columns. So 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. Here 0 and 0, 0, 0 represents a zeroth cell value. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, now after constructing the K-map, in the next step, what we have to do, we have to substitute the cell values. So for which, let me take the K-map with respect to the given values. 0, it is 1. Again 2, cell value 2 with 1, 3 with 1, and 7 with 1. When the grouping has to be done, only the adjacent cells needs to be grouped. During the grouping, if you are looking, the first grouping that can be done, it is 3 and 2. Again, we can go for 3 and 7. Similarly, the grouping can be done with respect to the cell number 2 and cell number 0, because those two also adjacent to each other. So we have totally 3 groups, 1, 2, and then 3. In these 3 grouping of cells, which are the essential prime implicants and which are the prime implicants we need to identify. So in order to represent or identify these possible prime implicants and essential prime implicants, let us take the groups, possible groups. Possible groups. When the possible groups are considered, we are able to combine 0 and 2 adjacent. Similarly, we are able to combine 3 and 7 as well as 3 and 2. These are the 3 possible groupings we have done. Here, each group is called as prime implicant because possible min terms grouping represents the prime implicants. So therefore, this is also PI, this is also PI, and this is also PI. All are prime implicants, from which we have to identify essential prime implicant. So as per the definition, the essential prime implicant in which one or more min terms are unique, that is at least one min term not contained in any other prime implicants. So as per that definition, if the essential prime implicants we are deriving, so you can take 0 to 2 as the one implicant, 3, 7 as another essential prime implicants, 3, 2 as another essential prime implicant. Prime implicants, from which we have to identify which is the essential prime implicant. If 0 and 2 grouping it is considered, it is x bar y bar z or with x bar y z bar, which is giving us after grouping y bar z bar. If you look at here, 2 and 3, 2 cell and 0, it has been combined only once to form a group, hence it is termed to be an essential prime implicant. When 3 and 7 is considered, from which x bar y z plus x y z are the minterms we have combined through the redundancy removal, it is giving yz. Here, even though cell 3 has been combined with cell 2, but cell number 7 only once it has been combined, so hence this is also an essential prime implicant. Whereas if you go for 3, 2, 3 already it has been combined with second group 7 and 2 has been combined already with 0. Hence, even though we get x bar y z grouped with x bar y z bar, it's giving us x bar y, but this is considered to be an prime implicant. So this is how essential prime implicants and the prime implicants we are able to identify through the Karnaugh map. After identifying the essential prime implicants as well as the prime implicants, the question, what will be the output expression? The output expression is only the essential prime implicants. So hence x bar z bar, sorry, this is x bar z bar with y z as the final output. Okay, I'll be stopping this implicants, prime implicants, essential prime implicants identification will be done with respect to the K-map at this point through this example illustration. In the next class, we will solve few more problems related to these K-maps itself.